welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all see my destination. That's right, guys. Headed to Brothers Motors. I was supposed to meet a couple of people over here, guys. Y'all know I've been out of town. I'm actually getting customers from off of YouTube now quite frequently, a lot. I had one guy. He had a 3.6 Pentastar and a 1500. What is going on over here? Okay, my man. Oh, he getting ready to bring it out, I guess. But anyway, I wonder if that it. Yeah, it's got a Hemi Pentastar in it, but there's some ticking. Now, the way I explained it, I was wondering if it could be fixed. But you know, some people feel better or more comfortable just getting a unit, complete engine. So that's what we got here. Now I'm over here to check on this. I haven't had a chance to talk to the guy since about 2 or 3 days, but he had the vehicle towed over here. So we're getting ready to do an engine swap. Fairly easy. Not easy. Now the labor is not easy, but the work is, as opposed to trying to repair it, guys. Now you know a lot can go wrong when trying to repair an engine. And that goes the same with a lot can happen by simply replacing one. So it depends on the circumstances you're in. Okay, this is the 1500. This got the Hemi in it. This is the one that has this is the one that has the vacuum leak. Oh, we still waiting on approval. So I don't know what's going on. Oh, this is the lady with the Charger RT. Y'all hear that? I think he getting ready to do some work on that. I think I met her. Oh, I think she contacted me on Facebook. YouTube. Yes. Thank goodness for YouTube, guys. YouTube can be beneficial. All right, I'm hearing some noise. I can hear that fan running. Anyway, yes, this is the engine. They dropped it off for that 1500. Again, I don't know what's wrong with it. He just said he want an engine. What do? You do exactly what people are paying you to do. All right. So that's going in at 1500. Yeah, guys, y'all know my thinking and my theory when it comes to all of this getting replaced. We don't use. Look, they just yanked the pulley off, man. These guys, some of these junkyard. My thing is, I hope you got a warranty on it. You know, that's my whole thing. Good, they gave us a dipstick. So now warranty, how long should a warranty be? I don't know. You'll know the condition of the engine in about 2 or 3 months, in some cases sooner. So yeah, you'll know if it's gonna hang around for a while. At that point, when you get it, you just simply know to maintain it. All right, so let me take a break, guys. When I come back, we're gonna find out what's going on. Yeah, all right, stay tuned. Yeah, I heard a little clunk when you backed up. It's popping. It's coming from that. Oh, guys, this is it's coming from that transfer from the PTU, huh? Oh no. The transfer case of the axle. But you gotta use one in it already. The long drive shaft. Clunky noise, guys. These are the hardest ones to track down, especially when it's equipped with all-wheel drive. And I thought the all-wheel drive was designated for the 300s. Is there an axle? If there's an axle going to these front wheels, there's an all-wheel drive, because these are typically rear-wheel drive vehicles. He said it's all-wheel drive. Damn it, it's all-wheel drive. But it just makes the diagnosis a lot harder because you have more parts to check and to diagnose. So forget the fact that it's a powerful, you know, big Hemi, a V8, but there's a lot of things come into play. So I don't know. We'll get it up in the air and find out. All right. So maybe I was wrong. I don't think the lady that I was referring to has a Charger where she got some ticking noise. All right. So I saw you on YouTube, man. I found out you was in Atlanta. I'm sure. We have yet to meet face to face. We have been communicating on phone, so that's why I want to make sure I'm here when she come. Make her feel special, make her feel like her car is in good hands. Okay, sure, I could send her over here, but she don't know my buddy, and she might be a little afraid to come in, the area. So I don't want to put her. I don't want her to feel uncomfortable. So I want to make sure. I guess she's aware of my face because she see me on YouTube. That makes sense, right? Yeah. So I want to make her feel as comfortable as possible. I want to make her realize that her car is in good hands, and to assure her that her ticking noise will be gone after we fix it. So that's one thing. Now, estimate, guys, again, it's hard to give an estimate until you tear it down. Now, but we have run into some problems with that. So what we wind up doing is giving a base estimate. All right. Now, no matter what we need, the estimate will not go up. Okay, that makes sense. So yeah, we can keep it down there. In some cases you can win, in some cases you can lose, but I don't like doing it like that. But that's the only option you have if you're trying to keep the customer in-house. You don't want them to leave because of their uncertainty. Well, you don't know what it's going to cost. And you try to explain to them, no one knows until they go into it. So we had to come up with a different strategy, and I think that's the best strategy. And mind you, what we tell them, guys, is always competitive. Okay, the personnel, meaning me and my buddy, we are, we're already trained. This is nothing new to us. So it's not like you in better hands based off one facility to the next. Okay, you're in the same good hands. In fact, you might be in better hands. All right. So depending on the mechanic you're dealing with, knowledge. So when I say we do it for half, that's automatic. That's even more of a profit than what I was going to charge originally. All right. Now I'm talking to mechanics right now. I'm not really talking to consumer because you got to be sensitive. You got to be a little careful with how you discuss things with the actual public, customers. You got to be careful how you discuss with them. But you guys that do not have expensive high overhead, you got a big window to deal with, because I'm telling you guys, there's some shop out here that's charging major money for some of the simplest repairs. Yeah, well, that may be easy for me to say, right? Simplest repair. Check out this BMW. So, but for the most part, yeah, I don't want to talk all day. I'm about to go ahead and find out. Where's the lady that dropped off the charger? Or what color charger she has? In fact, I need to call her right now and see that she ever get it dropped off. Towed. They're supposed to tow it in. And there is not much space over here. Look at that black PT Cruiser still here. Is that it? It look like a charger, yeah? Oh, this might be it. Somebody did get it towed. All right, guys, let me make some phone calls and find out. Yeah, I'll do it like that. So, guys, this video been running too long. So, I'll fire the camera back up in a second, guys. We'll talk some more. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.